Maninia, I didn't know by way. Was so finance, or so petition, or so for Beardman, who NdC for him. I don't know. Me resetting any, resetting any. Mahama resetting any. Mahama, who to the piano, what for Jim Biama, against her. No be promising for pocket ticket. Not gonna for Cottabama, and go pocket ticket. Obi promising 24 hours for a Bizan was a night club. A better than a night club, a good economy. Ghana for Central Maninia, I didn't know by way. Was so finance, or so petition, or so for Beardman, who NdC for him. I don't know. Me resetting any, resetting any. Mahama resetting any. Mahama, who to the piano, what for Jim Biama, against her. No be promising for pocket ticket. Not gonna for Cottabama, and go pocket ticket. Obi promising 24 hours for a Bizan was a night club. A better than a night club, a good economy. Ghana for Central. Musubuka will be. When I must talk some Mahama so. And go pocket ticket. Was so by Okada legalization. Okada, most Central from one or do Okada Bewale. One or do Okada Besida. One or do Okada Bedi and Mempeche and Waya Ye. I'm a pan on the idea be a keke. Mahama, so the idea be a. The man 100 years got the Magana by an bay. And at the end, I have grown on to a sick dear, sick beer, and I got a some. One who's a wide idea. A couple to Colano. Oh, boy, what that will be a. It's a better move said, or from with you. Look at that, Teresa said. Oh, God, open my. I don't want you. On about Teresa, we can't them. Only the youth organizer Libya. But now they're acting for civic. When did NdC start acting for civic? They should tell us. We are well educated. We are wise. NdC.
And I didn't tell you, demonstration. Don't Mama buy I dare so didn't need to saw you on yet. Nidiani saw see a black cat as somewhere here when they are two. Which I'm at the Caminamon Pony, I bet you. Which I do my saw you know on yet.
Into Luciano, I can't 3 years, not just say we in the government. Which are most mobile power, mobile action and answer.
Oh, yeah, power.
Mobile
yeah, name tit for tax. Also, once after so much and said, would you for near your children?
But, what idea, Uncle Oya, Lusania Bonio? Obi Soriano, the D or my penya term. Esa Mochinaso. What that?
Obi did you my penya to my say a china to Nana Kufadu buy. Did you attempt any end did not attempt? Almost did not temper 1 year chin, your chiobi, yan chiobia. Nja no mama yansi ani abie say yansu tit for tat anya boni
Yes, sir, police are the
the worst IDP in Ghana, first in history. We never see an IDP where me who say number campo or you penny but there is where you can say where the be were me person back at Chirano, where me papa. But only Juma, no, you who say or protect your youth, and you in this one or protect. Then why? No, who knew the who the Nepos were Ghana? Who can say one? Then why?
Somebody, you claim somebody has defamed you. The law says that you go to court. Hey, it doesn't matter who you are. You should go to court. That is what the law says. We are not afraid of anybody here in this country because this country belongs to all of us. And what we are looking for is the rule of law to work. The democracy we are enjoying today was fought by some people with their sweat and toil. That is why we are saying that our democratic credentials should be intact because Ghanaians have voted for President John Mahama for only 4 years. After 4 years, the table will turn. So anything that they are doing today.
What is the assurance if it turns, it's going back to NPP? What assurance that you have?
What?
That when
we have observed NPP in this country. NPP led by Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. For the past 8 years, for the last 8 years, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo has ruled this country. You see people like Sami Jemfi, you see people like Okujeto Ablakwa, you see people like even the current President John Mahama vilifying President Akufo-Addo. Why is it that President Akufo-Addo did not order the police to go and arrest him? Because the criminal libel law has been repealed. The criminal libel law has been repealed. And we want to sound this clear that we are not in a military rule.
So this is the situation right here at the Ghana Police Headquarters. We are trying to get access to where they are presenting the petition. So we are still here. This is the chaotic scenes outside the Ghana Police Headquarters.
That is the reason why we are here.
Now the media is actually struggling to make their way through the police headquarters. God, I'm struggling.
Hello, Bob. Hello, Bob.